In this first chapter about light, we'll talk about the nature of light, the nature of waves, rays, photons, and the electromagnetic spectrum. We'll briefly preview some ideas that will come back in later chapters, and we'll review some ideas that we saw in the volume on waves and sound. Here, a narrow beam of light enters the prism and, at both glass-air interfaces, its direction changes. We say that the ray is refracted. In a later chapter, we'll see that refraction is due to different speeds of light in the two media. Blue light is bent more than red, so the white light is dispersed into a spectrum of different colours. Reproducing an experiment performed by Isaac Newton, we can use a second prism to mix the colours back together again to make white light. Thus, Newton concluded, white light is just a mixture of light of all colours. Because the human visual system has only 3 different colour receptors, one can produce nearly all colours by mixing just red, green and blue light, which is what computer monitors do. A mixture of red and green light looks yellow. In fact, it looks very much like light with a wavelength between those of red and green. Well, it does so to human eyes at least.